Most creators over 40 don't go viral because of talent. They lose because of slow production, and BigVu just fixed that. Here's the truth nobody says out loud. You have the experience, the knowledge, and the stories worth sharing. What kills you is the pipeline. Filming one video eats 3 hours. Editing takes another 2. By the time it's done, you've posted once this week, maybe. BigVu collapses that whole process. Script it with AI, record using the built-in teleprompter, auto-generate subtitles, and publish directly to your social accounts, all inside one platform. The analytics even tell you which videos your audience actually watches all the way through. So you stop guessing and start growing. Slow production is not your identity. It's just the wrong tool. BigVu is built for people who are serious about showing up consistently. Head to BigVu right now and start your free account.